All right, we are back here Monday morning in the office, and it has been a wild, and I mean wild, like 12 hours in the Bitcoin world. Quickly, before we talk about Bitcoin, I just want to quickly say something. There's a lot of scams out there when it comes to cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin. There's even guys out there that pretend to be me, offering services like trading crypto, like for people. We do none of that. Those are all scams. You got to go to thesteadytrader.com or our official YouTube channel to get all the real stuff. There's so many scams out there. Anyway, let's talk about Bitcoin. So we've had this US debt downgrade, which I made a video about. If you go back to the YouTube shorts, like the last one from here, and talk about sort of the ramifications. We said watch the 30-year bond yield. I'll keep you updated on that as well. And so on the back of that, we've had a big rally in Bitcoin, but then it gave it all back. And so I just want to give you guys an idea of like trading Bitcoin. I think is actually quite hard. I know a lot of people out there, again, the scammers make it seem like it's an easy thing to do, but there are predictable patterns that we can use. So here's what happened over the past 12 hours and how our algo kind of tracked this. So this is just a 5-minute chart of the price of Bitcoin. And this here is where on Sunday, and I know this is a little bit unclear, the picture, hopefully it gets clearer. Anyway, we got a buy signal there, that little green arrow, and then Bitcoin rallied like, I don't know, 2.5%, 3%, reached that profit target up there. Then Bitcoin kind of turned around and then we received a sell signal and it reached that profit target down there. And as I'm here right now, we actually received a buy signal. Again, hopefully I don't know how well you can see this, but it's right here. And it looks like we're going back higher. It's got a profit target up there. The point is, even Bitcoin actually has patterns that it follows, and it's not so much chart patterns as it is patterns that are more embedded in behavior of algorithms. So the long and short of it is that, number one, there are patterns to be traded in Bitcoin, and I think they're juicy. Now, Bitcoin a lot of times also does just kind of like the sideways wiggle called the chop zone, so you gotta be careful of that. But also, Bitcoin here should act pretty well if this debt downgrade is to be taken serious by the investment community. Again, we'll see that the 30-year bond yield is the one that I mentioned in the previous video. We need to watch very closely. As I'm recording this here right now, Monday morning, 30-year bond yield is trading above 5%. We'll see if it can stay above there. That'll be the tell. That's it. Monday morning update. Hope it helps.